Assalamu alaikum guys. Today we are going to do this question. This question is from topic called maths. Maths topic la dhaho ayaan maanta wax kasoo qaadanaynaa some questions. Question aad ku fahantaan topican si u shaqeeyo. This topic very wide topic waaye. High schoolka, universitieska kala duwan sida first degree up to the second degree ila PhD waa ku arkaysaa ku daba soconaya because it's very wide topic. So be with me up to the end. I'm sure you'll understand. So we are going to start from the basic. This question actually you can find in high school and also in some university courses. Such questions. So let us start. In this question, it says that given that A is equal to 2 matrix 4, 3, and 6, and B is equal to 11, 3, 4, 1. Find C such that B times C, that dot is times, okay? It's multiplication. C times C, B times C is equal to A. So it says as B times C. So the value of B is what? 11, 3, 4, 1. Then we are going to multiply what? A, value of A. Value of C. We don't know the value of C. Ma naqaano. Maxaan sameynaynaa? Waxaan u qaadanaynaa A, B, C, and D because ma garanayno value of C. We don't know the actual value of C. So then this one will give us what? A. What's A here? Waxa waaye 2, 4, 3, and 6. Okay? This is our value of A. Kan waa valuegeena of A aynu haysan. It's given in here. B is given here as well. So, but C is not given. We are going to find the C. That's how this question indicates. So from here, maxaan sameynaynaa? Waxaa la rabaa inaan wax fahno. Inaan fahno this one we call row. 11, 3. We call it first row. First row row waxa waaye line-ka ugu koreeyo. Line-ka ugu koreeyo waxaa la dhahaa first row. Then if you go down, hadda xaggan aadid, go down like this, waxa waaye column. Hadda kan AC waa first column, BD waa second column. Ama AB waxaa la dhahaa first row, CD second row. Okay? That's the main concept about this topic. If you understand those two things, you will wholly understand the meaning of the topic. Okay? So from there, we are going to solve this question. How can we solve it? Because it says that in multiplication. Multiplication of this matrix means row times column. Row times column. So what's our row here? 11 times A. So 11 times the first column. Okay? 11 times A will give us 11A. Okay? Plus 3C. Minus 3C. Then this one will give us what? 2. Why 2? Because first row will give us this first digit of that A, which is 2. Then the second one is C, okay? Then the second one will be this 4. 4 times A will give us 4A plus 1 times C will give us 1C, which C? This is equal to what? 3. So let us solve this one. This one is called substitution. We can use substitution method or elimination method to solve to get the value of A and C. Okay, we only need to get the value of A and C for this from this equation. Then later on we are going to find the value of B and D. But let us find the value of this one first. From there, let us say that we are going to use the elimination method. Let us multiply this one by 1 and this one by 3. Why? Because this one we have 3 here. We should have 3 here as well. So 1 times 11 waxayna siinaysaa 11 plus 3C is equal to 2. Okay? Not negative 2. It's just 2. Okay? Then 3 times 4 will give us 12A plus 3C should give us 9. Okay? Then we subtract. Maxay noqonaysaa tan A plus 0. Why 0? Why A this one? Because this one actually should be negative A. 11A minus 12A will give us negative a, okay, because 11 minus 12 was a. 11 minus 12 was 1. 1 times a will give us a. So this 12 is more than 11, so that will be negative. This one should give us what? 2 minus 9, which is negative 7. So that means a is equal to what? 7. Why? Because negative and negative isla baxayaan. Okay? Negative and negative way isla baxayaan. You have to know that. It will be cancelled. Then that means we got the value of a. Then we have to take this 7 and substitute in the value of. Either you can use the second question or the first question. Let us use the first question to get the value of C, because we know the value of A. So this one will be 11 into bracket 7, because we know the value of A is 7. Okay. Then plus 3C should give us what? 2. Then this is what? 77 plus 3C should give us 2. Take the 77 to the other side. 3C should give us what? 77 minus 2 will give us 75, which is negative, okay? Because if you take the 77 to the other side, it will be 2 minus 77, which will give us negative 75. So divided by 3 here, divided by 3 here. So that means our C is negative 25. So it will give us our C to be negative 25. So that means we got the value of A and C. A is 7 and this C is negative 25. So let us find also, let us find B and D. Okay, how can we find the B and D? Okay, good. We still use the first row, then second column. Let's use the first row times second column. First row means what? 11 times B, which is 11B, plus 3 times D, 3D. Should give us what? Should give us, because B is here, should give us this 4. Okay? B is the second column. That means we have to use the second column. Again, 4 times B, which is 4B, plus 1 times D, which is 1D, should give us what? 6. Okay, should give us 6. Should give us this one. Because D is here, this it should take with that 6. Then from there, what are we going to do? Still, we are going to use the same method, which is elimination. Let's multiply by 1 here and by 3 here to make this D and D same. Okay, so 1 times this one will not change anything, which is 11A plus 3D should give us 4. Then 3 times 12 will give us, 3 times 4 will give us 12. B plus 3D should give us what? 3 times 6, which is 18. Okay, then subtract. Still, this one will be negative B, because 11 minus 12 is negative 1. Negative 1 times B is just negative B, plus 0. Why 0? Because 3 minus 3 is just 0. Then minus what? Is equal to minus 4 minus 18 is negative 14. Right? Yes, so we have negative 14 there. So that means our B is what? Our B is 14, So our B is 14. So if we have B 14, that means we can take this B, we substitute in the first row or second row. Let us use this one. So this one will be what? 4 into bracket 14 plus D should give us 6. Okay, so what's 4 times 14? It's 50. 6 plus D should give us what? 6. So that means our D is what? Our D is 6 minus 56. So our D here is negative 50. Our D is what? Negative 50. So we got D, which is negative 50, and B, which is 14. So let us go back to our original equation. We got A to be this one. Let us use here as the value of C. So we found the value of C, which is 7 and b is negative 14. I mean, is it? Yeah, exactly positive 14. So it's positive 14. Okay. Then c is negative 25. And d is what? D is negative 50. So D is negative 50. Very good. So this one is our final answer. So it's very easy. keliya waxa waaye waxa ugu muhiimsan aad fahmaysid waxa waaye sida la isku multiply sida la isku dhufanayo row times column. That's very important. This row times this column. Then you will understand the concept of this topic. su'aalo badan ayaan ka samayn doonaa. So inshallah su'aalo badan ayaan ka samayn doonaa. So be with me in the next videos. Inshallah you will understand more. Thank you.